Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I brought together beautiful, classy and super elegant brocade styles for my beautiful ladies. Feel free to share with me in the comment section down below what you think about these brocade styles. Are you a lover of brocade gown styles? Share with me in the comment section down below and I'll be super excited to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see this amazing styles collection. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestilex Home of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you'd love to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much as you consider subscribing. I appreciate you so much. And I will see you all in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Always remember to stay glued, stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe out there. Bye.